I'm still on my weight loss journey and I'm going to tie another strand of waist beads today. My preference is going to be the 3-strand cotton waist beads from Africa. I'm going to tie them really tight up high, and I'm going to burn them at the ends. And I'm going to show you a different way of me tying them, just bringing the loop around in a different way this time. So the last time that I tied my 3-strand waist beads for weight loss, I tied them up high and really, really tight. It was so tight, I almost wanted to cut them off after the video because it was so uncomfortable. But it forced me to lose weight. I lost 20 pounds. And I haven't been fluctuating. Like when I go down, I never go back up. So that's a good thing. But I'm slowly going down. I'm doing cardio. I am eliminating certain foods. I'm really not doing as good as I could, to get this weight off. I was always the skinny girl, the petite girl, and I always wanted to gain weight. So I actually used waist beads to gain weight and to shape my waist and give me more of a defined shape. And it did, it really worked. So now I'm on the opposite end of losing weight, and they are also working. And as I'm losing weight, I also wanted to define my waist and give me more of a shape so that I'm not built just straight up and down. So culturally, waist beads are worn to shape your waist. The people in West Africa believe that it will force the blood flow to go down to your butt, making you have more of a rounder butt and a slimmer waist. So that is one of the reasons traditionally that waist beads are worn. So I'm going to cut the string, remove the beads. I actually cut the string too short, but really it wasn't too, yeah, I cut the string actually too short. I did not make this strand as tight as I did the last time, although it is tight. It's not totally uncomfortable, and I guess I'm probably used to it. But my other beads have fallen down pretty low to the point where I think it's a little too loose, but I'm just going to layer them. So as I lose weight, I'll continue to add more and tighten them up so that they'll be more layered. So maybe in a week, I'll probably add another strand. It will be a single strand, cotton strand. So people use the elastic string for weight loss. I personally don't like them for weight loss. I think that the elastic strings are good if you want to take them on and off, even though over time it does stretches. They've never popped on me. The elastic strings has stretched over time of me wearing them for like almost a year. So I usually wear my beads for a couple of years and then I cut them off because I just want a new look. So this is my weight loss journey. I'm going to burn them. I may put super glue on them. I usually put super glue after I burn them. But the last time I did use Gorilla Glue and it got on my skin. But I don't know if I'm going to burn them, but this is me. This is my journey. We have this awesome sale going on right now on the website, craftswoman.com. You can get one or more waist beads. We go all the way up to the quantity of 100. Even if you want more, just let us know. And we have different designs from cowrie shells, gemstones, crystals, single strand, small, tiny seed beads to the larger beads, 3 strands, screw on. you can just be specific and let us know exactly what you want. We'll process those within 1 to 2 business days, and then we'll ship those out within 1 business day. Shipping is always free. Use the code Don't Birth Without a Doula to get 10% off. The website is craftswoman.com. And while you're at it, you can order anything else, a consultation, books, classes. Be sure to take advantage of this offer.